You know what,
He tried to
Furby?
start the
Just for that, you're not getting mentioned in this video.
I don't give a fuck. That shit was funny. I'm sorry.
Just for that, you're not getting mentioned in my intro.
That's fine. I'm sorry.
Motherfucker.
I'm sorry.
Come on, just start the damn recording. The video, or whatever the fuck you call it. Start the damn video! Nigga, I swear to God, if you don't start this motherfucking video, I'm gonna get
what if
a
we started it
motherfucking
and you're
act.
still talking shit to him?
I ain't even fucking care, cause he's a bitch nigga. I don't care, cause he's a bitch nigga. Bitch ass nigga. He's more of a bitch nigga than Santa, and Santa ain't even real. That's how much of a bitch nigga
Hey, you
he is.
take that back.
Why?
Of course Santa's real, because there are a bunch of fat ass guys in red suits with long beards who like to touch children and have them still in their lap.
Exactly.
Of course they're real.
Yeah, they're called. Yeah, exactly.
Why
they're
are you bringing
called
a beard into this?
Yeah, Andy's got a beard. What the fuck you gotta say about that?
Hey, beards are cool, but if they're like to the point where it's almost to your belly button, we can't be friends.
Also,
we can't be friends.
That beard, no stubble. All about that beard.
Oh my god, Andy! I just realized, guys, we've probably been recording for like the past 45 seconds to a minute, and.
Alright.
Beard.
What's up, guys? It's YouTube. What the fuck? Cut! We're gonna restart that.
Hold on. I was gonna lose my shit. He said beard.
Okay, guys, so what I've heard is that gossip is often at least partial untrue. If you hear a story from someone that is misleading, it does not necessarily mean that the person is telling it it does not necessarily mean that the person telling it intend. Oh no, hold on. I'll get to that in a second. Hold on, I'm reading off my horoscope. And then. That was the intro part, dumbass.
Well, damn. He called you a dumbass.
Where the fuck are we? What's up, YouTube? It's WolfX Vanguard here with another Deadly Gaming White Noise video. No, if you guys are wondering, I'm not gonna shit myself this time, or piss myself, because I already took a piss before I started the damn video. So we gooch in the hooch. Don't ask me what that means, because I will not tell you. Frankly, I don't even know what it means. It just rhymed. Anyway, so we're once again back with Furby. She's back in the game with us because she be keeping it real, holding it down wherever she lives. Don't know yet. Exactly, AOD holding it down. Don keeps it trill. We got Rinko in the game, of course. OG member. He's holding it down, AOD. And I'm hearing random voices, which is not my forte. Anyway,
maybe it's OG Mudbone. He wants it.
Yeah, except for I don't think OG Mudbone is a girl, so. But I do see a dildo upside down looking like an iguana.
I told you. See, look it. Boom. It's right fucking there. You guys are talking shit to me in the last video. Ta-da. I mean,
I'm
no.
all about that dick. No. No chodin. I'm all about that dick. About that dick. No chodin. I'm all about that dick. About that dick. AOD holding it down.
Here you are once again in the
501-618.
back.
Leave me. Leave me. I'm the nigga, but they love me in the streets. Okay,
I'm gonna stay back here with him so he doesn't die.
Who, me? Oh, I'm good. You know, he's holding it down. Oh, cock.
Oh my god, this
GBE
artwork looks retarded. Oh lordy.
Looks like out of the needle.
So what makes the bowling pin so artistic? What the hell? It has arms. Fuck this thing.
Furby,
Oh,
stay in.
somebody's mic is messing up. Oh lordy.
AOD holding it down. Oh, cock 300.
This
GBE
picture
Gay Boy.
is
Shout out
oddly
to
depressing. Oh my god, go ahead. I don't give a shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that voice is too... Oh good, there's the dildo. I'm scared.
Oh
I'm
my
walking
god.
away.
Like, oh my god, okay? Okay?
Oh my god, if
I
you
just
get
want
it
my
from OG
Starbucks,
Mudbone, you are my
okay?
hero. Your vagina must stretch to holy hell. Congratulations.
Yeah, of course it does. I get
You
fucked
are as
every
loose as
night.
throwing a hot dog down the hallway.
Oh my god, that's a new thing
That
these days.
I don't think that's attractive at all, actually. That's
Well, you know what else is an attractive girlfriend? Your hairstyle.
Oh no, she didn't.
Oh yeah, I did.
She did not. Bitch, look here. Okay.
Don't
look
bitch
here,
me.
Okay?
I ain't no
Okay.
bitch. I'm
am
a
Mexican,
sophisticated
so
woman
I authentically
on
have
this
that
game.
nice thick hair, bitch. I will
Okay, you
fucking
know
wrap
what,
it around your
girlfriend?
throat
I
and
don't
choke
think
the
your
hell out of
weave
you.
is nice and thick, girl.
Excuse me, girl. I don't have a weave.
Excuse me, girlfriend. Your weave ain't holding up no
Okay,
more
no,
after I rip that
sorry.
shit out,
I'm sorry.
girlfriend.
That was the gayest thing I ever heard you say, girlfriend. I was fucking gay. I'm sorry. I'm done. I can't do it.
That's what happens when you live with women. You pick up on some shit.
I've lived
right
with
behind you.
dudes before. You don't see me scratching my nuts and sniffing my fingers, do you? Don't ever compare that.
He's coming after us.
Is he? Is he really?
Yeah, he's right behind you.
Really? Let me see. I don't see that. I ain't scared of no ghosts. Ghostbusters.
Oh no.
Hey, what? I don't think
about to
any
die,
of us
guys.
have been in this room. Did I? No, I didn't find it.
I'm about to die. Here it comes.
No, you're not. You're not gonna die.
Hey, who is
because
that?
I will save you.
I am.
Never
It's
mind.
getting
I don't
green.
know where the fuck I am. What's going on? Why is my...
Who just...
I'm about to die. Yo, I'm about to die. No. I don't even see him. What the fuck? Dude.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, here it comes. It's vibrating.
I fucking died. I fucking died. I am so...
Ah, motherfucker. God damn it.
And I can't or move any faster.
Don, where do we go?
I'm
What the
kinda
fuck? He's
pissed
not there
right
anymore.
now.
He's right there, Don. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. He's right there. He's right there. Oh my god. GBE holding it down. O'Cock 300. O'Cock 300. Oh my god. Holy shit.
This was some bullshit.
Did you die?
Yep. And I didn't even see him until he flashed his DSLs in my face.
He whipped it out.
He fucking whipped it. Whipped it good.
Hey guys, you wanna know what I find this game more scary? When I turn the lights off.
I found someone's dead body. I can't find anybody else. I hear a tape where I'm at, but I don't see anybody.
Hype shit. Holy shit, guys, I'm actually doing work this game. Shut up, don't play around. I'm not turning around, man.
Hey, I say the next time, we play, we do a small ass map because this shit is too huge. Can't find nobody.
Oh god! Oh.
That's what she said.
You're such a fucking douchebag! You are such a fucking douchebag! You're such an asshole!
I'm finding
Hope
so
you
many
burn in
bushes,
hell!
but I can't find anybody.
You're such a fucking dick, man! How are you gonna scare me like that? God damn it!
Because he's all about that bass, no trouble. Bam.
No, what the fuck, dude? He's running! What the fuck?
I found the tape, guys, but you guys aren't here. Hooray.
What the fuck? Oh my god! Guys, come on, man. This isn't fucking funny. What the fuck? God damn it, what did I get myself into? Okay, I will go this way.
Maybe you'll find my ghost and you'll find the tape. I don't know. I can't find.
Oh shit! Go, 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 go! Turn the light out! Oh god, oh god, oh god! GB, you holding down on block 300. GOB holding down on block 300. GOB holding down. Oh fuck.
Run,
Oh,
little
fuck.
piggy, run!
Don't tell me to run right now! This is not a good time to tell me what to do. Holy shit!
Will.
How mad would you
Oh
be
my
if I
god,
told
why
you
is he
don't
stalking
touch
me?
Should have had a beer.
Okay, Ringo, are you dead?
I'm dead. I've been dead for.
Oh, well then no shit, he's following me. God damn it, why didn't you guys tell me you're all fucking dead?
I told you.
Oh, you were...
I've
No,
been
you
saying.
didn't, you
I
fucking
screamed like a
tongue-guzzling
little
fuck.
girl.
No, the fuck you didn't. I didn't hear jack shit. Guys, I think I might throw in the towel, man. I can't deal with this no more.
Well, shit,
Oh,
I
you're
wish someone
quitting?
would come find me. I found a tape over here.
Oh, fuck! Oh, shit!
Okay.
Hey,
I'm not...
found you.
Oh, God. I don't
You're
fucking
mad
care. I'm
or
just running
something.
for my life.
Look,
Okay.
boom, there you are.
I don't want to... I'm not good at turning around, okay? When I turn around, I get
Fucking tape
anally
right here.
fucked. Okay, well, guess what? What's more important, a fucking tape or my goddamn life? Don't
The
answer
tape.
that question. Don't answer that question. Okay. I'm coming back around. Pick up the motherfucking tape. Swear to God, if he fucking pops out and kills me, I'm gonna fuck both of you up.
All about that tape. About that tape. No.
No trouble. Well,
Yeah, there is a fucking trouble. Oh shit! You're such a fucking asshole! Oh my god!
I want to be on the front. This is bullshit.
Oh my god, what the fuck? God damn it. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't fucking like this game anymore.
That ghost ass dope.
Don't look at my ass, okay? I don't fucking... God damn it.
Don't flatter yourself.
Oh my fucking god. I'm...
Ba-da-dum-dum-dum.
God, I fucking hate you all. Oh shit! Run! Run! Oh god! Oh god, he's right fucking there! Oh my god! Okay.
I like how we're kind of just roaming around, and then... God damn it!
Is anybody near me? Or am I
No
just by
idea.
myself?
You're pretty much by yourself. Sorry.
Lights out, motherfucker.
That's what's gonna end up happening to you.
Oh no, I always play with the lights off.
Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. I'm so sick of just roaming around. Oh my god.
What do you think I'm doing right now?
I think this is the starting area.
God, son of a bitch. Oh, this is new. I never seen this. There's a fucking guillotine. Hello.
Hell yeah.
Go ahead, Ringo. Put
Oh
your head in here.
shit! Oh
Let's play a
shit!
game.
Light out, light out, light out.
There's another
Oh god,
tape over
run,
here,
run,
too.
run, run, run,
Let's play
run,
a fucking
run,
game.
run. Go, go. Don't get fucked, don't get fucked. That's the objective.
Right here?
Ah shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!